Smoker's lines is definitely the ban for many people's existence. It's a very common condition. You don't have to be a smoker in order for you to have lines around your mouth. A lot of times, genetics can play a biggest role in developing those lines around your mouth. And of course, you see it more commonly on those who are smokers. Normally, smokers have a weaker collagen. It's because the cigarettes itself can cause collagen breakdown and make them to wrinkle more easily than usual. The fine lines around your mouth is also more commonly seen in those who frequently use a straw. And of course, in terms of treating the fine lines around your mouth, it's important for you to be on a proper skincare regime. The skincare that you might need to incorporate is those who help to boost your collagen around your mouth. I truly understand that the skin over the mouth could be more delicate than other part of your face. Some uses retinol to help to resurface the skin and to boost the collagen as such. But bearing in mind, some retinol could be very strong for the skin, especially around your mouth area. So it can cause irritation instead of skin resurfacing or to promote the collagen production. But as an alternative, you can also go for skincare that contains hyaluronic acid or peptides or even growth factors that will help to boost the collagen. And definitely, all of us know that sunscreen makes the biggest difference when it comes to wrinkles, because when you're exposed to UV radiation, it worsens or makes your collagen to break down even quicker. And I think honestly though, the procedure that gives more impact in treating the fine lines around your mouth would be Botox or soft fillers, and also microneedling in terms of promoting more collagen synthesis around the area. And of course, ablative laser could also help to remodel the collagen over that area. Anyway, I don't think any one thing is ever going to make the smoker line to disappear. Of course, it takes a relay, meaning to say you might need a combination of multiple treatments to see an optimal results.